Join me as I dive into the latest stock analysis and try to predict which stocks will skyrocket in the coming months. Stock analysis is a crucial part of making informed investment decisions. It's what helps you separate the winners from the losers, and it's especially important in today's fast-paced market. With so much information at our fingertips, it's easy to get caught up in the noise, but staying on top of the latest analysis techniques can make all the difference. Investing in the stock market can be tough, especially with all the misinformation out there. One day a stock is soaring, and the next it's plummeting. It's like trying to hit a moving target. And then there's the emotional roller coaster that comes with watching your hard-earned money fluctuate in value. It's no wonder that so many investors struggle to make sense of it all. Misinformation can spread like wildfire, and it's up to us to stay informed. The sheer volume of data can be overwhelming. From financial statements to market trends, there's no shortage of numbers and charts to sift through. And don't even get me started on the jargon. Who needs all those fancy terms and acronyms, right? But in all seriousness, making sense of it all is what sets successful investors apart from the rest. To make matters worse, the market can be unpredictable. Just when you think you've got a handle on things, a sudden event can send everything into chaos. It's like trying to navigate a stormy sea. You've got to be prepared for anything. In recent years, we've seen a surge in the use of AI and machine learning in stock analysis. These tools can process vast amounts of data in seconds, spotting trends and patterns that humans might miss. Technical analysis is another popular method, using charts and patterns to predict future stock performance. And then there's market sentiment. Understanding how investors are feeling about a particular stock can be a powerful indicator of its future direction. AI is getting better and better at analyzing huge datasets, and this can be super helpful in identifying stocks that might be about to take off. For example, AI can look at historical data and spot patterns that might indicate a stock is due for a surge. Of course, it's not a crystal ball, but it's definitely a useful tool. Market sentiment indicators are another useful tool. By analyzing how investors are talking about a stock, we can get a sense of whether it's about to go up or down. Social media, forums, and financial news can all provide valuable insights into investor attitudes. Some recent studies suggest that certain trends, like the use of alternative data, could be the key to unlocking better investment decisions. Alternative data includes things like social media activity, sensor data, and even satellite imagery. It's a bit unconventional, but it could give investors a real edge. One recent breakthrough that's got everyone talking is the rise of AI-powered stock analysis platforms. These platforms use natural language processing and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of market data, providing investors with actionable insights. For example, some platforms can analyze earnings call transcripts to predict stock performance. The impact on investors' strategies could be huge. With better tools and techniques at their disposal, investors could make more informed decisions, avoiding costly mistakes and maximizing their returns. Of course, it's not a guarantee of success, but it's definitely a step in the right direction. The rise of these platforms is also changing the way investors interact with the market. No longer do you need to be a seasoned analyst to make sense of the data. These platforms are making it possible for anyone to get in on the action. To stay ahead of the game, it's essential to stay up to date on the latest stock analysis techniques. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's always something new to learn. From AI-powered platforms to alternative data, the field is constantly evolving. So, what do you think? What are your favorite stock analysis tools or trends? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about stock analysis and how to make informed investment decisions, be sure to check out my previous videos. Thanks for watching.